You're flying over calm, blue waters, the sun is out, your radio's clear, and your compass points steady. Then suddenly everything goes wrong. The sky darkens, your instruments flicker. You're lost, and then, nothing. Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle, a region shrouded in mystery, where hundreds of ships and planes have vanished without a trace. Some say it's a scientific anomaly. Others believe it's something far more otherworldly. Today, we uncover 10 unbelievable facts about the Bermuda Triangle that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about our planet. You've heard the whispers, the tales of planes disappearing into thin air, ships vanishing without a trace, and strange lights in the sky. Some say it's cursed, others say it's a myth. But in the heart of the Atlantic Ocean lies a region that has left even scientists scratching their head. In today's video, we'll uncover 10 unbelievable facts about this mysterious zone, facts that will leave you questioning whether it's just ocean ... or something far more dangerous. Fact 1. It's bigger than you think. When you hear triangle, you probably imagine something small and manageable. But the Bermuda Triangle is absolutely massive. It covers between 500,000 to 1.5 million square miles, depending on who you ask. It stretches between Miami, Florida, San Juan, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda. That's an area large enough to fit 2 entire countries the size of Spain. This isn't just a small stretch of water, it's practically a kingdom of the sea. Because of its size, many people don't even know when they're flying or sailing through it until strange things start happening. The Bermuda Triangle isn't just a tiny patch of sea. This area spans anywhere from 500,000 to 1.5 million square miles, depending on which version of the triangle you're looking at. It stretches between Miami, San Juan in Puerto Rico, and Bermuda. To give you a sense of scale, that's roughly the size of India. That means thousands of flights and ships pass through it every year, most of them safely. But when something does go wrong here, it tends to go very, very wrong. Fact 2. Planes and ships disappear without a trace. Over the last century, more than 1,000 ships and planes have vanished within this mysterious zone. Many without distress signals, many without a single piece of wreckage found. The most famous case, Flight 19, a group of 5 U.S. Navy bombers on a routine training flight in 1945. The pilots reported disorientation, compass malfunctions, and then ... silence. A rescue plane was dispatched, it vanished too. Altogether, 6 aircraft and 27 men gone. What's chilling is that these weren't amateur pilots, they were trained military men. And even with today's technology, no wreckage has ever been found. Take Flight 19, for example. December 5, 1945, 5 U.S. Navy Avenger bombers left Florida for a routine training mission. The pilots got disoriented, their compasses failed. Radio transmissions became erratic. Fact 3. Compass anomalies. Your compass is one of the most basic tools in navigation. But in the Bermuda Triangle, even this simple device can turn into a trickster. Normally, compasses point to magnetic north, which isn't the same as true north. Though within certain areas of the triangle, they align, causing navigational systems to go haywire. Imagine being lost in a forest, and your map suddenly points in every direction at once. That's what it feels like in the triangle. These magnetic anomalies have been documented for centuries, long before satellites and GPS. In most places on Earth, your compass points to magnetic north, which differs from true north. But within the Bermuda Triangle, they briefly align, causing navigational confusion, especially before the GPS age. To early sailors and aviators, this was like having your car GPS tell you to drive into the ocean. And in many cases ... they did. Fact 4. Methane gas eruptions. While some theories sound supernatural, others are rooted in science. One fascinating explanation involves methane hydrates, frozen gas trapped beneath the ocean floor. When these gases suddenly erupt, they can create massive underwater bubbles. These bubbles reduce water density so dramatically that a ship floating above could lose buoyancy and sink instantly. It's like trying to float on air instead of water, your boat would just drop. Tests in labs have shown this is very possible. But whether it explains every disappearance, that's still up in the air or under the sea, deep below the seafloor, trapped under immense pressure, are massive deposits of methane hydrates, frozen gas. When disturbed, they can violently erupt, forming gigantic bubbles that rise to the surface. If a ship is above that bubble when it bursts, the water beneath loses density, and the ship can plummet like a stone. This isn't just theory. Scientists in labs have replicated this exact phenomenon. It's silent, it's sudden, and it explains why no debris ever floats back up. It's like standing on solid ground ... and suddenly, the floor becomes air. Fact 5. Rogue waves, nature's ambush. The Bermuda Triangle is in a part of the ocean where weather systems collide. That makes it a breeding ground for rogue waves, walls of water that can reach over 100 feet high. These waves form when multiple weather fronts and ocean currents combine unexpectedly. For a ship, it's like being hit by a freight train made of water. Even modern cruise ships and tankers can struggle to survive these sudden assaults. Imagine what it was like for old wooden vessels. The Bermuda Triangle sits in one of the most volatile ocean regions on Earth. Storms from different directions collide, creating what are known as rogue waves. These waves can tower over 100 feet tall, equivalent to a 10-story building, and strike without warning. No radar, no time to react. They can snap ships in half or drag them to the bottom. Survivors are rare. Evidence, even rarer. Fact 6. Steering only back here. Sometimes, denial is more chilling than belief. Fact 9. A hotspot for extreme weather storms in the Bermuda Triangle form fast and strike hard. It's one of the most active hurricane corridors in the world. The region is also home to waterspouts like tornadoes made of water that shoot straight into the sky, strong enough to rip planes from the air or capsize boats in seconds. What makes it dangerous is how fast these storms form. 1 minute it's clear, the next minute chaos. It's also home to waterspouts, essentially tornadoes made of water that reach from the ocean surface into the clouds. One of these could lift small planes out of the sky or slam ships into the waves. No radar, no hope. Fact 10. Some disappearances were solved, but not all. Here's a reality check. Some triangle incidents have been explained. Faulty navigation, weather, mechanical issues, it's true, but others, they remain mysteries. No signals, no mayday, no debris, nothing. The ocean may be vast and unforgiving, but even in today's world of satellites and sonar, some things just vanish, and that's what keeps the Bermuda Triangle story alive. So, what do you think? Is the Bermuda Triangle just a deadly mix of nature and error? Or is it hiding something far more mysterious? From scientific phenomena to theories of time travel and alien activity, the Bermuda Triangle remains one of Earth's greatest unsolved puzzles. The Bermuda Triangle might be just ocean ... or it might be something far more complex. A blend of science, nature, and perhaps forces we don't fully understand yet. So what do you think? Is it a myth, a coincidence, or the tip of something much bigger? Comment below with your theory. Do you believe the Bermuda Triangle is real or overhyped? If you enjoyed this dive into the mysterious unknown, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more amazing stories that keep your curiosity alive. Which fact blew your mind the most? Do you think there's a logical explanation, or are we missing something beyond human understanding? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed diving into this deep mystery, give us a like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more mind-bending content like this every week.